class name selectors dot warning or dot important. Select element using its ID without the I specificity of the ID selector. Okay, this is also an example. ID selectors. But our practical is what? Different CSS properties. What is this? Different CSS properties and how to use. Okay, today is our practical lecture. I have discussed CSS selectors. What is selector? CSS ID. What is ID? CSS different selector properties. Okay, and now I'll discuss different CSS other properties, and that is what. Okay, first, like, I'll open Sublime and save it. Okay, and save into our desktop, and the name is this CSS Multiple Properties .html. Okay, and this CSS multiple properties. Okay, how to use this CSS multiple properties? As you see here, you can see here, for example, okay, that is, I want to attach an file, CSS file, that is the name of the file main.css, and all of these body properties. Okay, what is this and how to use this? Okay, this, and you must give a file name is here. Okay, you must give a file name, and that file I'll not create it. First I want to create that file. Okay, press Ctrl N and Ctrl S to save that file, and that file name is what? For example, main.css or main1.css. okay, save it. Now I want to link this file main1.css. okay, that is what, that is this heading 1. This is heading 1, this is another heading. Okay, that all of the P is paragraphs, or P are paragraphs. How to do this, how to do in to practical this, and what is this? First, for example, I want to give an example here. This is for example, address, what? Address selector. I'll also show you what is selector. You can also see here. Okay, like P is a selector, and there are many selectors in CSS. Okay, these are, we have already discussed in theory. Selector, edge one, adding one is a selector, and brackets, curly or square, there is a declaration block. Both of them we will do in theory and practical. This is a header selector. Okay, you can do another heading here, like this is another header selector. Save it. You can see it into like here. This is another selector. And other one is what? P. P is what? P is a paragraph. Okay, you can write some paragraph here. Like I want to do something here like this. P is another selector. Okay, this is also CSS selectors. P is paragraph. Okay, selector is built-in function in CSS. Okay. It also applies to whole of whole paragraph. And third one is what? For example, it's third paragraph. Control S to save. Press F5, refresh it. No, there is no color, no font size, no styling. This, you know that this is these are all the adding H1, P. These are all called selectors. And font size, color, these are the selectors properties, as you must understand this concept. Now I want to use and apply selectors properties. And what is selectors properties? See different CSS selectors properties. Okay, other file main1.css, like P is a paragraph, comma. Okay, I have already discussed. Now on to a CSS nodes. You can see P and comma. This is multiple selectors. Okay, when you want to apply multiple selectors, same properties and multiple selectors, there is, you must insert a separated comma, p comma add one, p comma h1, or adding. To group selectors, use comma. Color is what? Blue. Font size, okay, that is the property. Font color is both of them, paragraph and heading. Color is blue. Font size 1.5 em. You know that we have already discussed in previous topics font size to increase in pixels. You can also increase percent, and you can also increase in em. Em is a property of font size, okay. And line height, you can also apply em. Word spacing, okay. Line height, there is a line, you want to draw a line, and it is all of the font properties. Word spacing, there is a word spacing 0.5 em, and letter spacing, and other one is what? Letter spacing. Letter means alphabet spacing. Text line, line center, you can also apply left, center, right, okay. There is a comments. Comment means these are just here write something, just your understanding, not it is the part of CSS code. Background color, okay, hexadecimal you can apply, and this code start from 1 to F 16 digit hexadecimal digits, and you must start with hash. See how to use this into practical. That is what? P comma h1. These are multiple selectors, and see how to apply this. Okay, how to apply this. Color is what? Color is blue. Font size is 1.5 em, and line. For example, color is blue. Font size is, okay, you can give any size, 1.5 or something like this. 1.5 em, okay. And line height, there is also, for example, 1.5 em, okay. You can apply different, okay. And other one is what? Line spacing and letter spacing, like here. This is also word spacing 0.5 and letter spacing 10 pixels. em and letter spacing 10 pixels. Text line is a center. Background color is changed. Text line is a center. Okay, see, first save it. Okay, press F5 to refresh it. CSS multiple properties This is a header selector. This is another header selector. Selector is built-in function in CSS. It also applies to whole paragraph. It's third paragraph. Okay, color is blue, all of them. And you can see here, this is a letter spacing, alphabet spacing, and this is a word spacing. I'll also apply here. Okay, you can see here these of the word spacing, line spacing, font size, and letter spacing. See it again. If you want